I'm just
Okay.
here to make a special appearance.
Or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for no, ma'am.
All right, folks, today we've got one of the most clueless sovereign citizens I've ever come across. This guy somehow managed to rack up 17 tickets. Yes, 17. All from a single traffic stop. And if that wasn't wild enough, he's in court acting like he's not even the one on trial. Seriously, how does someone even pull that off? But don't worry, the judge isn't having any of it and shuts him down hard. You won't want to miss that. In the meantime, drop a comment and tell me what you think this guy's IQ is on a scale of 1 to 10. Because after watching this, I'm giving him a generous 2. All right, let's jump in and break down all the charges this guy got hit with.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, not this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, you can proceed forward with the trial, bench,
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Clip 17 citations. This guy is out here stacking them like Pokemon cards. I swear he might just be the final boss of sovereign citizens. Honestly, I'm not even sure if he can count to 17, but somehow he managed to rack up 17 violations like he was unlocking achievements in a video game. But enough talk. Let's jump right in and see what this so-called sovereign citizen has to say for himself.
At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
But yes, according to sovereign citizen logic, the U.S. Constitution totally gives you the right to commit crimes and then magically erase yourself from existence in court, just because your name is written in all caps on a ticket. Someone please make it make sense. If any of you can actually decode what this guy is saying, drop a comment because I'm completely lost. These people really think they can just pull some legal hocus pocus and walk out of court scot-free. But guess what? That's not a thing. Courts have shut this nonsense down countless times. Just look at United States vs. Harwell or United States vs. Cooper. At this point, these folks might as well be shipped off to their own island because all they're doing is mocking the legal system. Whether they call themselves US nationals or sovereign citizens, it all boils down to the same thing, dodging responsibility for their actions. But what do you guys think? Is this guy for real, or is he just playing dumb to weasel out of his tickets? Let's dive back in.
May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Vieira Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today,
I'm asking you to this matter. Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Vieira Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, man?
I'm an attorney, in fact. Listen.
Now that's what I'm talking about. This prosecutor needs to take the wheel for a minute because this guy is making an absolute joke of himself. And honestly, she just hit him with a straight-up mic drop at moment. If this sovereign citizen wants to pretend he's not the person on the ticket, then hey, let's just issue a warrant for the guy whose name is on it. Problem solved. I love Kai when judges aren't here for the sovereign citizen nonsense. Now I just really hope the judge follows through because at this rate, this guy's nonsense is going to clog up the entire docket by the time his hearing is over. But what do you guys think? Did the prosecutor go on too hard, men, or was this totally deserved, Ying? Let's hear it.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Vieira Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? John Vieira Williams, are you present twice? John Vieira Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Vieira Williams, the agent.
Okay.
So John Vieira Williams is not present. Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Vieira Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Janvier Sherelle Williams Escapius until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Now this genius has to sit around for 3 more hours just to get heard again, talk about a productive way to spend your day, right? But trust me, this next part is pure gold. Because the judge literally starts talking to him like he's a 5-year-old size. She breaks it down step by step, like she's teaching him how to tie his shoes. Honestly, it's like watching a kid get told "nomies" by their mom, except this guy is out here acting like it's some high-stakes legal battle. All right, enough talk. Let's jump in and watch the rest of this sovereign citizen